over the past 5 years, the problems of 5 years ago are still the problems of today. So they haven't been resolved across the industry. The debt, the technical debt, the data debt, the AI debt is getting bigger and bigger. And the cost of resolving might also grow with it. But the systemic issues will only get bigger.
To understand, at scale, what's the connection between long-term health, right, and the environment that someone's living in? Well, I think, not wishing to make a political statement, we will be having a general election this year.
Yeah.
I think many people are expecting that there may well be a change of government.
Yes.
I suspect that if that were to happen, a more left-wing government might take the view that they wanted to do more centrally and take a more controlling hand. I think that might be take a view of, if you wanted to call it a larger government. What will be some of the new factors that they ought to be thinking about for the next 20 years, 30 years of housing?
Okay.